Acidus Fast is a high-performance automotive acid cleaner developed to deliver fast and effective results in the removal of mineral deposits and embedded contaminants. Ideal for cleaning wheels, chassis, emblems, exterior plastics, and metal surfaces. It features a high descaling power, removing residues that conventional cleaners are unable to eliminate. Its balanced and safe formula, when used correctly, helps restore the original appearance and shine of surfaces, bringing back a clean, well-maintained look to multiple areas of the vehicle. In addition, Acidus Fast effectively removes light water spots from glass and paintwork without damaging the surfaces. Versatile and powerful, it can also be used for engine cleaning and hard-to-reach details such as grills, corners and trim areas, delivering complete and professional cleaning. The result is a vehicle with a renewed appearance, free from mineral impurities and finished with an impeccable look. Directions for use: apply the product directly onto a dry, cool surface. Agitate with a soft detailing brush or an appropriate brush. Acidus Pro is a high-performance automotive acid cleaner developed to remove mineral deposits from wheels, chassis, emblems, exterior plastics, and metal surfaces. Its balanced formula helps restore the original appearance of multiple vehicle surfaces by removing light water spots from glass and paintwork. It can also be used for engine cleaning and for hard-to-reach areas such as grills and trim details. Dilution: oxidation removal, use the product undiluted. For heavy dirt, use the dilution of 1/5. For medium dirt, the dilution of 1/10. And for light dirt, the dilution of 1/30 is recommended. Directions for use: dilute the product according to the recommended ratio. Using a sprayer, apply the product directly onto a dry and cool surface. Agitate with a soft detailing brush or an appropriate brush. Rinse thoroughly with plenty of water until the product is completely removed.